Chocolate is something that is famous around the world. It has been for centuries and with a history going back several thousand years. Chocolate is one of the most sought-after treats in the world. In many ancient cultures, chocolate was a luxury that only the most elite could afford. Today, nearly everyone has access to chocolate in some form or another. Dark chocolate may be more appropriately referred to as cacao. In its natural and raw state, cacao isn't sweet at all. This is why milk is often added. Now, when it comes to chocolate, you should know that milk chocolate does not have the same benefits as raw cacao or dark chocolate. So be sure to look for raw cacao if you're buying it for the health benefits. In its raw form, dark chocolate can be an acquired taste because of the bitterness, but if you get used to it, it isn't that bad. It truly is an acquired taste. Raw cacao is packed with something called polyphenols, and these ingredients are part of what makes dark chocolate bitter. Polyphenols are also why many candy companies add milk and sugar to chocolate. Doing so makes it sweeter and more pleasing to the taste. However, polyphenols are the source of all that is good with dark chocolate, so try to tough it out if you can. Sometimes all it takes is just developing a taste for dark chocolate over the traditional milk chocolate that you're used to. If you do, you'll be rewarded with some amazing health benefits on top of a tasty snack. The incredible benefits of eating dark chocolate. The beauty of dark chocolate is contained within the cacao bean, and there are several parts of the bean itself that provide major health benefits. Dark chocolate is packed with the good stuff including flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamins, and antioxidants. Antioxidants are the most common ingredient and one you've probably already heard of. In fact, the antioxidants in dark chocolate have been shown to control inflammation and protect your nerve function, as well as increase brain function. The many benefits of dark chocolate. The benefits of eating dark chocolate don't stop fighting cancer. There are many benefits when you add dark chocolate to your daily diet. First, one of the best benefits you can get is the reduction of stress. Dark chocolate can improve your mood through the release of serotonin. It can also have the ability to lower your blood pressure due to the presence of components called flavonoids. If these benefits weren't enough, studies have shown that just a small portion of dark chocolate can improve your mental or brain function by increasing the flow of blood to the brain itself. This also means you have improved focus, too. If you're trying to lose weight, dark chocolate can help you there as well. This is due to the amount of fiber found in dark chocolate, which helps you curb your hunger and feel full longer. Eating dark chocolate also feels like eating a treat, so it may satisfy some cravings when it comes to snacking. So there you have the amazing health benefits of dark chocolate. Be sure to check out your local store for some today, and you'll be on your way to your own health revolution.